Hi, welcome. I'm Dr Khaled Sadek and you're watching my fantastic YouTube channel on cysts and lipoma removal. Hi, welcome. I'm Dr Khaled Sadek and you're watching my channel on cysts and lipoma removals. In the next clip, I have neither a cyst or a lipoma. In fact, I've got a contraceptive implant that's underneath the skin and needs to come out. It's a similar kind of procedures you see in the other videos, but I thought I'd show you something different today. So, I hope you enjoy the video. Till next time, bye-bye. Okay, so there's the implant underneath the skin. I've got some old scars just on the side. We're just going to clean the skin. It gets a bit cold, that should be fine. Let's leave that on there. Next step is the anaesthetic. This feels like a bee bite, but unlike a bee, it does disappear and it goes just underneath that as well. Sharp scratch, doing really well. There we go. This is the anaesthetic going in. We'll just put in slowly. There we go. Well done. Keep breathing. That's it. Well done. Once the anaesthetic's in, you won't feel a thing. Doing really well. Okay. Let's put that all in. Let's just massage that through. Yeah? There you go. Well done. Well done. So, as you can see, anaesthetic volume kind of displaces the implant head that we saw previously, but we can just see it just coming through there. That looks fine. Okay, so let's take a look at our markings. Okay, we can see it just coming to the surface there. So we'll make a small cut and then we will bring the implant to the surface. This is a Nexplanon on. Okay, so make a small incision just here. There we go. How are you doing? You all right? Mm-hmm. Good. How's your summer?
Yeah, it was really good.
What did you get up to?
Actually went on like loads of holidays.
Oh, loads of holidays, not just one.
Just one. I literally had like five.
Five? What did
you
you do? Like a world tour?
Well, I went to Spain twice, Croatia, Slovenia, and where else did I go? Venice.
Were you trying to do all the European cities before Brexit?
Yeah, it kind of seems that way, but it was kind of unintentional.
Why Spain twice?
So I went with my girlfriends and I went with my family girlfriend.
Ah, whereabouts in Spain did you go?
Marbella and then Mallorca.
Oh, you don't mess around, do you? So, almost there. So we can see the tip of the implant just coming to the surface. Just make a bit of space for it. And then just guide it through. And sometimes they need a little bit of a helping hand.
Oh, goodness.
There's a lot of poking around and stuff, but hopefully no pain. So just release it from its etchings. Ooh. And there is the implant rearing its head. And just clip it. And out it comes in its entirety there. Clean the skin. That's it. We don't put... How was that? Was that right?
Yeah.
Sure. You did very well, very brave. And what I'm going to do is just close it with a dressing. It doesn't need any stitching. The wound heals by itself, as you know. You're expert in this. So we'll just put this dressing on there. Keep it dry for at least 48 hours. That's it. Ooh. All done. Perfect. Hi, I hope you liked that procedure. That was an implant removal. Remember, if you like the video, put a ring on it, subscribe down below. I'd love to hear your feedback about diversifying the program to implant removals as well. Remember to tell your friends about it. And most of all, till next time, bye-bye.